If you have ever wondered how a person should accumulate wealth for retirement, I can tell you there is no one single answer. There are a lot of complicated answers, do this, do that. One amazing way of doing it in, say, US is to invest in something called a target date fund. Now, India does not have a target date fund, so it is a fantastic opportunity for an MFD or an RIA to create a target date fund. So what am I saying? Suppose there is a 24-year-old boy called Kailash, and Kailash is trying to create a corpus for his retirement. So Kailash at the age of 22 is aware that he needs to invest for his retirement. So what happens is he does not know how to invest, so he comes to a smart MFD or an RIA and he says, I want a target date fund to be created. So it's a fantastic opportunity. So the MFD creates a plan and he says, this is Kailash retirement plan. First of all, it has to be a Kailash retirement plan and not just a general retirement plan from some company. Right? It is not a PGIM retirement plan, it is not an Invesco retirement plan, or nothing like that. It is a Kailash retirement plan made for Kailash. Now Kailash wants to start investing 15,000 rupees. The MFD sits with him and decides that since he is just 22 or 23, he's got a long time to go, another maybe 35-40 years to go where he is going to invest. So he wants to be predominantly in equity only, no debt. They will consider debt whenever they come to it, maybe at 45, 50, whatever, that time they will. Remember, this is a target date fund meant to produce results over the next 40 years. So 2021 you start and 2061 this fund has to be ready for him to retire, right? That's the task, 40-year retirement fund. So what used to happen earlier is you said, okay, there is 15,000 rupees, put it into one large cap fund, one mid cap fund and one small cap fund, in some 60-40 or 60-30-10 or that kind of a ratio, and that will work. That's what you thought. But today life has got a little more complicated. You may want one US fund, you may want one momentum fund, you may want one growth fund, one value fund, large cap, mid cap, small cap. It is completely up to you as an IFA or an MFD to be able to create that portfolio. The advantage is once you create that portfolio and you're monitoring it, you can then after 3-4 years say, okay, let us shift from this asset class to this asset class. So sorry, from this scheme to that scheme. Large caps have done a run up, so let's remove some money from large cap and put it in mid cap. Some of those shifts you do. Now ideally, if it was under one roof and it was a target date fund, you would not have to pay capital gains tax. But now unfortunately in India, you will have to pay capital gains tax. So therefore you will have to do the shifting yourself and pay the capital gains tax if necessary. So be very careful. You can save the 10% tax, or of course you still have that limit of up to 1 lakh. So try getting away with that, or for long-term capital gain. So try some of that stuff, but yes, this is what it does. What can also happen is a person can say, I'm just 22, I'm a DIY, I will invest myself, so I know this fund A, fund B and fund C are for my retirement. Now for some people who don't want to do that, for them it is the MFD's job to create this Kailash retirement plan and send him a quarterly, not necessarily quarterly, at least an annual statement saying, Mr. Kailash, we had estimated that you would require 28 crores by the time you retire. Right now you have contributed 8 lakhs and it is worth about 13 lakhs. Right? So you keep sending him such statements, and then you can also say, we had targeted that this fund will grow at 12%. However, the fund is growing at only at 10.5%, and there is nothing we can do about it except increase the contribution to this fund. You are saving money for other things like your marriage and your education, higher education, or buying a house and all that. For this, I think because our hit rate is slightly lower, we thought it would be 12, it is only 10.5. So let us increase the SIP amount from 15,000 to 17,500, right? A small jump. And there's a logic. Now, when you sit with the customer, what all do you have to do? First, you have to carry some A4 size paper and write down what are your expenses, how much are you likely to require at retirement. With whom can you do this? You can do this with a 45-year-old. Can you do this with a 22-year-old? Answer is no. With a 22-year-old, you say you need to target some amount, and Subra in his book says $1 million is a good number to target. So let us target 8 crores for you. That's it. That's how you start the dialogue, because you have no clue. You only know that you're going to require a corpus. And therefore, ideally, I would, in ideal circumstances, I would have gone to an RIA and say, create my target date fund and handle it yourself. Or I would have gone to an MFD and said, I want a target date fund, this is what I will do, I want some ETF, I want some index fund, I want this, and please go and create it for me. Unfortunately, in India, one single target date fund is not available. So when people come and ask which is a good plan that I should buy for retirement, and I'm looking at them and say I have no clue, simply because what I would do is, if I were 22, I may just index it, because if my full-time job is not in investments, if I don't want to spend time, if I don't want to learn, then I should be indexing my portfolio. The other way is to say, I have found an RIA or an MFD or IFA, whatever you want to call them, and I can sit, learn, have a dialogue, after 4-5 years be able to handle it myself. Right now I'm not in a hurry to make a mess, because retirement is crucial. Even though I'm only 22 years of age, I don't want to make a mess of my retirement, and therefore this option of saying, now if suppose there's a good MFD who has got software to be able to do this, and he is able to give this statement, or she is able to give this statement, what is likely to happen is the client is likely to concentrate on the page 1. And the page 1 says, Mr. Kailash, this is your target was 8 crores, we have reached 22 lakhs, we have reached 33 lakhs. His high-end brain is going to focus on that. He is not going to pick up and say which fund is doing well, which fund is doing badly. That is for the IFA to decide that, okay, US has run up, so we will put some money, let us take a chance, let's put some money in Europe, or let's remove some money from US and put it in India, or let us remove from large cap, put it in small cap. It is for the IFA to initiate the dialogue, not for the end client to say, oh, I think US has done enough run up, let us put some money in Japan, or things like that. Makes no sense. Maybe you put money in US and you put money in Japan, because a lot of Japanese stuff is sold in US, right? It's almost like the 44th state of US. So you decide how the dialogue should go. You can do all that because you are controlling the narrative. For that, target date fund is useful. Unfortunately, India does not have target date funds. I don't think there is a huge market which is ready. So there has to be a lot of effort to launch the product and all that. I do not know too many mutual funds who have so much of patience, right? But I know a lot of RIAs and MFDs who have patience to create these kind of documents. And today I'm sure enough software will be available because of which you can do this kind of a reporting. So if you are a serious investment advisor, I suggest that you invest in such very small, not very expensive tools. Decide how to create the communication. You have to, of course, do the communication as the law says, that you have to give a 7-year CAGR and 8-year CAGR, whatever you want to give. All that should be in page 3. Page 1 should consist of these things, right? Now take a journey. You're going from, say, Bombay, South Bombay to Pune. You set out with a Google map. Google map says it'll take you 4 hours. Then suddenly, by the time you reach Chembur, you find there's a big accident because of which the vehicles are not moving. What happens? You have to wait, right? And after some time, you can accelerate. But if you've lost half an hour in a 4-hour journey, it may be very difficult to make up for that. So you may decide to skip your meal. You said, oh, I had planned half an hour, I'll eat something at Datta Snacks. That's ruled out, so I will just go away, as I'll go non-stop, or some change in strategy will happen. So largely, broadly, Google Map can tell you itna time lagega. Actually what happens will change. It is not that Google is wrong, but Google didn't know that is going to be an accident. Google didn't know you're going to take a half an hour break for breakfast. Google didn't know that you will meet a friend at that breakfast table and instead of half an hour it will become 1 hour, right? None of this you will know at the beginning of your journey. And if you have a very strict line that I have to be there at a particular time, you'll tell your friend, hi, nice meeting you, but I have to rush. If you don't have such a strict timeline, you will sit with him, spend some time. So all that will change. So your target date fund will have to adapt and say, okay, now I'm 48 years of age, I need to increase my debt portion. All that can happen, and the target date fund at the age of 60 can be ready. Now, one is to say that the client understands asset allocation and all. And second is to say, okay, here is the IFA who is able to understand, explain and do it, right? So both combinations can exist. It is an excellent product. I am surprised that no Indian company has still thought about it. I know there's tremendous amount of effort, but even if a single company were to think about it, it would be suboptimal. Let's say tomorrow Larsen & Toubro decides, Larsen & Toubro Mutual Fund decides that there will be a retirement plan or a pension plan which means like this, like a target date fund, or they are able to create a product where they can tell the MFD what combination, what to do. Of course, it is for the MFD to do it for the client because the mutual fund can just tell you principally, we can create this software for you, we can create these reports for you, we can do all this, but selling is up to you. It will be a little suboptimal because you will have to pick up all the funds within L&T. Now, if the same service were being offered to you by somebody else, like say a CAMS or a Morningstar or a Value Research, then you could create the product yourself, where you could pick one from L&T Mutual Fund, one from Invesco, one from somewhere else, right? So you could pick up one ETF, you could do all that combination and create this target date fund. I don't know when this will happen, but it will happen, and all the best if you are selling pension plans. Thank you.